Yo, what's happening? Zurisei Mulibwanje, how are you guys doing? Hey, today I'm reacting to a song from Zimbabwe, Nomsa. I think that's a new artist from Zimbabwe. Like Zim has a lot of talent, so like it's hard to keep up. But yeah, man, I'm interested. I'm excited, not interested. I'm excited to hear this one because I know every new artist have to come up with something fire so that they make their name known. You know what I mean? I don't know. I think maybe I'm saying as a new artist, but you let me know if you're from Zim. Nomsa, call me back. That's the name of the song. If you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Let's go.
Did you hear that glitch?
See, I met this fine boy, and I gave him my number, but he never called me back. Why you never call me back? I'll be waiting and waiting, but I didn't get that text. Why you never call me back? Why you never call me back?
This is like chill Afro beat, no?
Then I met this guy.
Yeah, okay, I can translate for you guys here because Dinogona Gutara Chishona Gadik. That's how you say it a little bit. Yeah. Let's okay, I cannot translate for real for it, but I understand what she's saying. I will let you know. Let me tell you my story. I was just walking by myself. Hopefully that's specific.
Then I met this guy checking me out with his eyes. I can eat it faster.
The guy, she met the guy, and the guy was like, yo, Rasta.
Told me to wait. He wants to take me on a date. Of course, I said no. Dakajamuka. I even asked him, do you even ever car? See me, I am a woman of standards.
Them is beautiful, by the way. I wouldn't be surprised if this is somewhere in Zim because I've been to Zimbabwe. I mean to Bulawayo and other small towns there. Man, those places are so beautiful. So yeah, this could be somewhere in Harare or Masvingo or what other towns there. Yeah, beautiful place, guys. Like if you have never been to Zim, you must go. It's beautiful and the people so hospitable. Like one of the best in the world. Okay, let's get back to Nomsa.
He said, don't worry, he won't be acting funny. See, I met this fine boy, and I gave him my number, but he never called me back. Why you never call me back? I'll be waiting and waiting, but I didn't get that text. Why you never call me back? Why you never call me back? To the story, he called and then said sorry, and the end of Garandiri busy. And I said okay, Ashina Hora. Next time try Kufona before it's over. See, I met this fine boy, and I gave him my.
Yeah, this guy is nowhere to be found. He called and said, you know what? I'm always busy.
But you never call me back. Why you never call me back? I'll be waiting and waiting, but I didn't get that text. Why you never call me back? Why you never call me back? So then I blocked him. He had kids and a baby mama. He was the problem, cause in the end it is a drama.
Hey.
It was a blessing. Instead of
I wanna hear more of her songs, man.
And I gave him my number, but he never called me back. Why you never call me back? I'll be waiting and waiting, but I didn't get that text. Why you never call me back? Why you never call me back? Don't wait, won't get that text. Don't wait,
won't get that text. Don't wait. Move on.
Did you hear they glitch?
It's a beautiful song, man. Beautiful video as well. So simple and storytelling, beautiful stuff. Big up to Zimbabwe, big up to Nomsa. Please go check out her YouTube page, subscribe, listen to more of her music. I felt like I should hear more of another song of hers someday. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this. Like I said earlier, if you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. If you want to see a song from Zambia, let's go.